Hey guys, welcome to the video. My name is Natasha Adams. I'm going to be replacing my hub assembly on my 1991 Jeep Comanche that is here right behind me. Already in the driveway, already blocked the tires. We're going to jack it up with my Pro Eagle jack, and I'm going to show you how to replace that pretty quickly. It's a very easy job, so here we go. So we're just going to jack it up just high enough to get it off the ground, just so I can get the tire off. It is at a weird angle, so that is pretty the safest thing I can do. And that's off the ground. Well, upon further inspection, I am going to have to also do the U-joint. That's just what I get for saying it was an easy job. Now that the wheel is off, we have access to the caliper. I'm going to take the caliper off, hang it on the arm. Probably going to take the tie rod off as well. I have a new one, might as well replace it while I have it off. These Dana 30s, they have a 36mm axle nut, which is pretty insane, actually. Well, I think the Lexus is like 32. Either way, so with this here and this all the way seated, I just have to try my mightiest and get this off right now. So we resorted to power and not weakness. Alright, so after you get the rotor and the axle nut off, you get these, what is it, 12 points back here. It's a boy! See? Well, once you have the hub assembly off, like I do here, the axle will just pull out and you'll be able to fully examine what happened here. So the U-joint little cap apparently left a chat on some trail, and I'm sure it's somewhere out there in Big Bear or somewhere in the snow. Well, I've put an order in to my local O'Reilly's for a new U-joint. It's gonna take them like 2 days to get to me, of course. So, in the meantime, I'm gonna just do the tie rod, oil change, probably go over everything, torque everything back down. And so when I get to putting this all back together, we can actually hit a trail. The castle nut on this tie rod is a 27mm. And it was loose. Terrifying. There's some scary stuff in this world, and that's one of them. So all the parts from O'Reilly's came in, so here we go again. Alright, so everything is assembled here. It's nicely painted. So before mounting your new hub, you're going to want to put anti-seize on the threads here and here. So you want it, I don't know the torque rating, but you're going to want it to be tight. Alright, put your axle nut on, and we're going to torque this to 175. Make sure your rotor is as dirty as possible while installing it back on a clean hub. So that's pretty much the whole hub and U-joint job. You got a little tie rod action in there, but other than that, it's pretty simple. Even though I said that from the beginning and it didn't come out to be that simple, the job itself shouldn't take that long unless you find other things along the way like I did. I'm just gonna put the wheel back on, lower the truck, go for a test drive, and hopefully that solves that humming problem that I was having. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.